Hello guys, let's just learn about factoring quadratic expression using quadratic formula. So this is how a quadratic formula looks like. X is equivalent to minus b plus minus radical b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now first of all, let me tell you what are those values like b minus b, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So actually how we write down a quadratic expression, it is written like that. Well, let me just tell you the standard form of it. It is represented as ax square plus bx plus c. This is how a quadratic expression looks like. All right, so those a, b and c, those are the values that we will be putting into that formula accordingly. So let's just move towards the very first question that we have, and let's just start practicing it. So if I compare it with the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So as per that, if I compare these two expressions or equations with each other, so these two equations, if I compare them, as you can see, a is equivalent to 1, b is equivalent to 5, and c is equivalent to 6. So now I will be putting those values into the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac, all of it divided by 2a. So that is how a quadratic formula looks like. So I will be putting all the values in it to find out the value of x or v over here, because as you can see, all the expressions, all the variables used in this equation are v, like v and v. So this is the variable that is used, right? So I need to find that variable, so I will be putting v equals to, okay, so minus b is equivalent to 5, so I will be putting minus 5 over here, plus minus radical that 5 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 6 again as well, right? So now divided by 2 into a is 1. So let me adjust this, it's pretty up. So okay, now it looks good. So I need to find out the v, and I would say I need to find out the solution actually, okay? So v is equivalent to minus 5 plus minus radical, what is 5 squared? That's equivalent to 25, right? Minus 6 times 4, that's equivalent to 24, divided by 2. If I further simplify it, then v is equivalent to minus 5 plus minus radical 1 over 2. As we know that radical 1 is also equals to 1, so we can write it down like minus 5 plus minus 1 divided by 2. So now for this v, we will be getting two different solutions. So once we will be putting v is equivalent to minus 5 plus 1 divided by 2, and secondly we will be putting v equals to minus 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So now v is equivalent to, what is minus 5 plus 1? That's equivalent to minus 4 divided by 2, and v equals to minus 2. That is one answer for the v. Now let's just look at the second one. So v equals to minus 6 divided by 2, which gives me v equals to minus 3. So these two are the solution of the equation that was given to us, right? Now I'm going to move towards the second one. So let me just zoom in. So again, I will be just rearranging it. So g square minus 3g. So if I move this 4 to this side, it will become negative 4. Or you can also say I'm subtracting 4 on both sides, okay? So how the standard form looks like, it's ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is how the standard form of a quadratic equation looks like. So now I'm going to put the formula of the quadratic over here. X equals to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac, all of it divided by 2a. And now in this question, as you can see, we are using g as a variable, right? So it means I need to find out the g this time, okay? So I will put g equals to, first of all, let me just put what the value of b, a and c are, okay? So I'm going to just give it some space over here so I can put all the values for you. So as per that, what is a equivalent to? A goes like 1, b is equivalent to minus 3, and c is equivalent to negative 4. All right, after comparing these two equations. Now I'm going to put all the values into the formula that I have. So now g is equivalent to what is value of b? That's minus 3, right? So minus is already there. Minus 3 will be put over here. Okay, plus minus radical minus 3 square minus 4 a c and all of it divided by 2 into 1, which is 2a, right? Now I will be solving it further. So minus into minus, it will become plus. So plus 3 plus minus radical 3 square is 9 minus minus plus 4 times 4, that's equivalent to 16, and all of it divided by 2. So now g equals to 3 plus minus 9 plus 16 is equivalent to 25. All right, now as we can also write it down as g equals to, let me put it over here, g equals to 3 plus minus 5 divided by 2. So it means we have got two different solutions over here. One is 3 plus 5 over 2, and the second one is g equals to 3 minus 5 over 2. If I do it, it will become 8 over 2, and g is equivalent to, what is 8 divided by 2? That's equivalent to 4. And if I move on to this one, 3 minus 5, that's equivalent to minus 2 over 2, and g is equivalent to minus 1. So that's the solution for the second equation as well. So this is how you can easily factorize any quadratic equation using those normal easy quadratic formula. So this is how a quadratic formula looks like, as I've already mentioned over here and put two formulas over there as well. I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, I would be requesting you to please subscribe it so you don't miss the details. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.